restart factor by grouping. So let's just first start again with the first step. Put parentheses around the first and last two terms. Okay, parentheses, and include the sign parentheses. Step 2 is find two GCFs. Find the GCF of the first group and of the second. So let's go ahead and let's find the GCF of the first group. The GCF of the first group, 6 and 4, would be 2. H to the fourth and h cubed would be h cubed. The GCF for the second one, 12 and 8, would again be 4. I guess not again, but there's no h's in common, so just 4. Then step 3 is to factor the GCF out of each. So let's go ahead. I'm going to rewrite it so we can do it in one nice organized chart. So we have 6h to the fourth minus 4h cubed plus 12h minus 8. We put parentheses around. We found our GCF. Our GCF of our first one was 2h cubed. So my answer would be 2h cubed GCF times what we get left over. 6 divided by 2 is 3. H to the fourth divided by h cubed is h. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. H cubes cancel. Double check on the inside. The GCF is 1. This GCF was a positive 4. So I'm going to put my positive 4, just going down the list. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. H minus 2. So let's just read it out loud. 2h cubed times the quantity 3h minus 2 plus 4 times the quantity 3h minus 2, which our last step then is to factor out the common binomial. That's the whole reason you do it, is because you will get a common binomial, so you can factor it out. So now our GCF, it's almost like a new GCF of 3h minus 2. Notice 3h minus 2, 3h minus 2. Again, the positive 4, the plus 4, was from the GCF being positive. If it was a negative, it would be minus. So we have our GCF of 3h minus 2. Divide out your 3h minus 2. Divide out your 3h minus 2. So now what do we have left over? Cancel, cancel, 2h cubed, cancel, cancel, plus 4. And there you have it. You factored by grouping. So let's go through it again. We took a GCF out of both. It was plus 4 because it was a positive 4. Then we got a common binomial and factored that out. Now you can go ahead and start on your homework.